I want you to tie that into today, the society as it is with social media, keeping up with the Joneses, or as we know, keeping up with the Kardashians. And, there's no one way to do it, there's no magic bullet, but there's so many signals about consumption and acquisition and acquiring things versus the non sexy, the more boring, get your house in order, build a foundation, cut your teeth, and learn in a conservative kind of way until you have your own wings and fly.
We want two things in life. One is to be rich, and the other is not to be poor. And this applies not just to the portfolio where you put, say, stocks in the being rich account and bonds in the not poor account, but also in life. Because eventually, when it comes to work and life, what you want, what I want, is a vocation. So I don't want to be rich in the sense of billions. What I want is a full life. And so when I was in Israel, when I completed my studies at the Hebrew University and got my first job as a financial analyst in a large company, it was interesting for a few months, increasing my life well-being, and then it was not. And so we decided to go to the United States, where I will study for the PhD. Now, what did being rich for me meant? It meant surely being able to earn a decent salary, but more important, it had to do with my life well-being, having a vocation. And my vocation is that of a teacher and a scholar. Now, objectively speaking, I was taking a huge amount of risk. I left
Yeah.
a secure job. I already had the baby.
And you had family,
I had
you
family.
were in a country and a culture that you knew, your homeland.
Exactly. And so, but I didn't even think about it in terms of risk. I just had aspirations. We
Right.
all have aspirations. And so I was willing to take that, which I think of now was a gamble. And fortunately for me, that gamble worked. And so again, when you are young, take gambles. That is, keep your eyes open. That is what I tell my undergraduate students. If you have a job and you hate it, you've learned a very important lesson. Now find another job, because you don't
Yeah,
even know who you are, let
that's
alone
right.
what the world is like. And so you'll kind of zig and zag, and serendipity is going to guide you into life that is right for you. Now, it is important to, of course, have financial well-being, follow your passion. That's very nice, but you need a passion that will also pay the utilities. But you need more than paying the utilities. You need something where you are going to get up in the morning and be happy to go to work, and have a feeling that you do good work, that you serve other people, not just yourself, because that really is what life centers on.